Okay, class, today I'm going to show you how to create your Padlet. So the first thing you want to do is click on Padlet.com. Go ahead and open that up. Now, if you have never used Padlet before, it's going to ask you to sign in for free and then sign in with Google using your school account. And then you're going to go ahead and click free forever. So there's about 3 different clicks you have to actually click before you get to the page that I'm on. Okay, so just to recap that again, when you click on Padlet.com, you're going to have to click on free account, sign in with Google using your school account. And then once you get to this page, you're going to click make a Padlet. And then I want you to click on the wall. So go ahead and select the wall Padlet. Now it's going to go ahead and create your Padlet. Let's title it. On the right side, I want you to title this My Family History Padlet. The description is going to be your first name and your last name, 2021. And you can choose an icon. I'm going to choose a smiley face. Once you choose your icon, go ahead and click this back arrow. And then when you scroll down, you can click on wallpaper and choose solid, gradients, textures, or pictures. I'm going to go ahead and choose picture. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Actually, I'm going to do cupcakes. I love cupcakes. Go back. You can even add your own wallpaper. I've had a student put a Jiffy on here and they had a moving GIF in the background. It was pretty cool. Now click the back arrow. And now you're going to click next. And you're going to click start posting. So on this Padlet, what are you typing? Well, let's take a look. You are going to be adding one video, a minimum of 2 images, and a minimum, of 2 to 3 paragraphs. You're going to hyperlink your Padlet screenshot to your Padlet page. And all of these items here are going to answer the 3 essential questions. Here are the 3 essential questions. So let's go ahead and highlight those 3 questions. Let's copy them, Command C as in copy. Go back to your Padlet, and if you double click on the screen, you will have created a post. I'm going to Command V as in vomit and paste these questions here. And I'm actually going to break these questions up into 3 questions. So I'm going to have question 1 is going to be how and why did your family come to the United States? I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go double click, make a new post. Question 2, what were the obstacles they met? Question 3 is what was going on historically in the United States? So these are the 3 questions that you need to answer on this Padlet. Let me go ahead and reorganize them so that they are 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and that once you answer those, that will have covered your minimum of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Now you need 2 images and 1 video. So let's go ahead and go back to your Padlet. Let's add another post. And this is going to be your 30-second family video. And you're going to want to click the 3 dots in the bottom right to record. Let me show you what I mean by that. These 3 dots here, when you click that, you can actually video record your 30-second video. And what is your video about? Your video is answering any of the 3 questions. Okay, 1, 2, or 3. Now, your next post is going to be an image because you were asked to give me 2 family images. So family photo 1, and let's do another post, family photo number 2. Now, it doesn't have to be a photo that you have to go dig up in your garage or, take a day to find. It could be, a flag that represents your home country. It could be the United States flag. It could be an image of Oceanside. So 2 photos that represent your family. Now let me show you how you're going to actually post this on your slide deck. So you're going to screenshot using the hotkeys Control Shift box above 6. So I'll go ahead and post that in here. So I want you to screenshot. Now you don't have to type this out on your Padlet. This is just for me to show you. It's going to be Control plus Shift, and these hotkeys work for Chromebooks. And it's going to be the box above 6. Okay. Now, I personally use this extension here called Light Shot, this purple feather. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot my Padlet just like this. So you're going to do the same thing. Get a nice screenshot of that. And you're going to copy this screenshot. Okay. You're going to go back to your slide deck. You want to delete all of these items here because you don't need them anymore. And you're going to go ahead and put your screenshot right on this slide. Now we need to hyperlink it. So let's go ahead and click share. We're going to grab the link. I want you to change the privacy to public, and visitors can read. That's all we want them to do. So public and visitors can read. Save. Go back, and now let's copy the link to this. So I just grabbed the link to that. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click on my image. I'm going to click on the link button, and I'm going to paste by clicking Command V as in vomit and apply. So now my Padlet is hyperlinked onto my slide deck. I'm going to go ahead and insert a title here, and I am going to call this My Family Story. I'm going to go ahead and make it nice and big. I'm going to change the font to Control 1 because that's what I love. I'm going to put it in the middle, and I am done. If you want to add some pizzazz, you can format options and drop a shadow. I'm going to make the transparency less, the distance more, and now I have a nice cool shadow behind my text and my image. And that is how you complete your Padlet. Thank you so much, and I hope this helped.